Can you believe it?
Yeah, man, that's crazy, man. What the hell?
Look at that.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
How would you like 100?
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
I know you were. You told me before that you wanted to take your work for hat and get it signed by him one day.
Oh yeah.
So I figured I'd get one for you there.
Supremo.
Supremo.
I don't know.
There you go, Primo.
Hell yeah. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Guys, just got a sneak peek of the 20. I don't really know exactly what year it is, but obviously it's a 2020 plus AT4 HD Duramax. We are on the way to Elite Innovations because I just got a call from Mondo saying that a truck is now done, and I'm especially kind of excited for this truck just because it's like identical to mine in terms of the setup. He's got a 7 to 9 McGoys set at 9, and this guy actually went above and beyond. Most people kind of skip out on this part, mainly because it's such a new truck that you don't really need to do it, but I did it because obviously if I'm gonna have my front end torn apart, I might as well just add that extra strength. So this guy actually even added Kryptonite's idler and pitman arm, the whole front end kit with the center link, which I didn't do the center link. I'm really not sure why, because I mean, it's not like it costs that much more. The reason why I didn't do it is because at the time I was hearing that the center link was going to reduce the turning radius, and like not that it really matters because I didn't have full turn radius anyway, and also I have a big truck on 38s and 14 wides. Turning radius really doesn't matter. So I guess at the time I didn't want to lose any more turning radius than I already was going to lose, so maybe that's why. You know, in hindsight being 2020, I should have done the center link as well, because you know, if I do that, I got to go take this truck for another alignment, and to me it's not worth spending 150 bucks for an alignment just to put the center link on. Also has the Pulsar V3, so that truck is going to be running pretty good, and the owner is going to be able to calibrate the truck with the 38, so that way the speedometer isn't really far off. Gentlemen, we're here, and oh boy, that truck is massive. I can't wait to see it. Hey Xander. Damn, this truck is huge. Alright, so they gave me permission to do the Pulsar on this truck. I get to do something. So let's go ahead and turn the truck on. Can I put the truck in run position?
Yep.
Okay. Settings. Pulsar settings. Let's see, we can do Pulsar info. Okay. It has throttle response. So basically the way the Pulsar is set up is every power level has its own throttle response. So obviously level 1 is going to be the lowest, being economy. Second one is tow. Third is drive. Fourth is sport. And power level 5 is going to be performance. So not only do you get horsepower, but you also get more throttle response out of each power level, but you also can adjust the throttle response however you want. So if you only want level 3 but you want more power, more throttle response, you can always change that too. So it gives you a lot of freedom, and that's one thing I really like about this device. It looks like everything is already set up. Turbo timer, I don't even know what that is. Wow, I didn't know this had that. And we have the speed limiter, so you can actually increase it and decrease it, which I'm not gonna touch it, it's not my truck. And then tire size, we can calibrate this device to modify tire size. We'll go ahead and do height 38. These are 38, so we'll do like 30,
Put it straight down the middle.
37.50 is usually get it close to.
You can hang it with the clutch on one side, maybe
Okay.
over, and I'll turn that one side off.
275, 65, 20. 275, 65, 20. All right, cool. Awesome. Cool. Got all that.
Go ahead and cut it.
You can also the EGT back down, so that way if it hits a certain EGT number, it'll automatically back it down so you don't mess anything up on the truck. So yeah, this device is actually really cool. Oh, shoot. Save. Skip. Awesome. So I got some of the basic parameters set up for if this was my truck. This is how I would have it set up. Obviously it's emission compliant, so I put the soot right there, and then I put the DPF stat because I would like to know if the truck is going through a region. And this is just for everyday application. These are some of the really helpful PIDs to look at for everyday driving. And you might be wondering, like, why do you have fuel level when it's right there? I don't know. I actually think this fuel level is very accurate to read compared to this, because sometimes stock gauge cluster looks like it's full, but then you look over here and it's like at 80%. So it's preferred to see it on the screen. I can take a glance and see everything all at once. I like looking at EGTs. I don't really care for the engine speed, so I really didn't know what to put there. And then I have ECTs, and obviously maybe I would change one of these to transmission fluid temp as well, so I know when the transmission's warmed up. But yeah, these are just some of the basic parameters that I set up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. We're closing the shutter so we can surprise the owner. Poppy, hurry up, bro. They're here. Wait, is that why you came here?
Yeah.
Hey, where's my commission at?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I noticed that like everything you've done was like everything I did to my truck.
Yeah.
I was like, I wonder if he like kind of like took the steps.
Yeah.
You
You know,
did?
I seen it. You know, that was, you know, when I seen it, I'm like,
Yeah.
you know, this is the way I want to go. So.
Nice. Or open the shutter. You like it?
Hell yeah, that thing.
Yeah?
Thing huge, man.
Oh yeah. I think it's bigger than mine. Hey, you want to trade?
Yeah.
I'll trade you.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Dude, that's your truck. Can you believe it?
Yeah, man, that's crazy, man. I appreciate it. What the hell? Damn, that thing changed. Hell yeah, it was worth it.
You want,
Man, that's amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah. I didn't expect it. What the hell?
It's something we've never done before. And we never tried to do it last minute, but Alex actually wired you lights inside the traction bars when it shine.
Oh shit.
So the traction bars will be lit.
What? Man, that thing is badass, man.
I can't wait to see it at night.
I'll trade you traction bars right now.
Shit.
Go ahead, take it off.
Damn, the wheel is so huge.
Yeah.
24.
Man, the whole truck is huge. What the hell? It changed completely.
Yeah.
Man.
And now you're not nice anymore.
Yeah, man. This should come out amazing.
Hey, take it for a spin and see how the Pulsar does.
Yeah, I want to see, you know, so can you show me the wall?
Yeah.
Show me how
I'll let JW show you. He's the Pulsar master.
I'm the Pulsar technician.
Yeah.
Man, this is better in person than in the picture.
Xander, which truck do you like better? This one or mine? Hey, you better choose wisely. You better choose wisely. This one? No, wrong answer. Dude, it's neck and neck.
Bye.
Let me get my headlights on.
Damn, I think beast. Yeah, let's get up.
Oh dang, his factory headlights brighter. The LED.
Wonder why.
Because I had the switchbacks. Alright guys, we got Ivan. He's obviously super pumped to pick up his truck. Now I wanted to get his reaction on the Pulsar, because a lot of people don't believe me that the Pulsar makes a huge difference. So we're on level 4. So level 4, and this truck is obviously on 38s and 9-inch lift now, so it's a lot bigger. So it should be sluggish compared to what you were used to.
Yeah.
But let's see how much of a difference this Pulsar makes.
So right now it's at you say setting 4, right?
Yeah, we're on level 4. So we'll take first spin. Turn right. Yeah, we'll just make a circle. So now, yeah, you rub slightly, but you'll know your limits pretty soon.
Holy shit.
How's that? How's that on level 4?
Hell yeah, man, you feel it. You feel
Yeah?
it different, yup. Damn, man, that ride's amazing too, you know?
Right, yeah, it's smooth.
Yup, everything's good.
That's a real reaction. But how does it ride compared to
No, it rides
the
different.
Pulsar?
Yeah. I mean, man, you can feel it different, you know?
Yeah?
The reaction time is right there, you know? But yeah, it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
You gonna leave it on 4 or 5?
So
All right.
5 is the highest one, right?
Yeah, 5 is the highest one. So I guess we'll just go straight.
I think it feels huge.
Yeah, it is huge.
And I got your lights on. There's a switch right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my question is, will those lights turn on when the car's off, or does the truck have to be on?
Oh, you can leave it. You can turn it on when the car's off. So whenever you go, I don't know, like to the store or something, you can leave your lights on.
Right.
2.5.
Shit. What the hell? Yeah. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
Dude, how's that for 38s?
Man, it feels great.
Yeah.
Man, it feels like a normal. You know,
Yeah.
like if I didn't even lift it, you know. The ride is good. You know.
We'll turn right here. We'll go back to the shop.
Sure.
Dude, this ride's good. Oh yeah. Oh, you're gonna have fun going home.
Yeah.
You're gonna have too much fun going
I
home.
got 2.5 hours to go, so.
Turn right here. Oh, yeah. You already got the GPS, so. The only thing about the tune, maybe I would daily on 3 to 4, just because like obviously on tune 5 it is going to accumulate your soot more, so it's going to go through more regen. But I kind of set it up for you, just the basics that you want to take a look at.
Right.
So I put the DPF stat, which shows if your truck's going through a regen or not.
Right. So you say, so going on daily, what do you recommend? Just have it on what?
3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, you could do 5. It's just it'll accumulate soot a lot more. So.
So what, do you pull in or no?
Yeah.
Damn.
Looks good, man.
Hell yeah, it does, man.
And it rides good too.
Sure.
Shall we do a full walk around real quick before he heads out? All right. So as far as I know, 7 and 9 McGoy set at 9 with Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks, Kryptonite upper control arms, everything powder coated by Jimmy Rivers. And then the front end has all the upgrades, so Kryptonite tie rods, idler and pitman arm right there. Everything, all the inserts were powder coated by Jimmy Rivers. And he even has a center link done. And something unique that Alex and Mondo did this time around is that they put an LED strip in the traction bar, so it's gonna light up the whole traction bar at night, which is gonna look really good. This truck is rocking, no pun intended, 26 of JW Motorsports Co. rock lights. And we are doing a special deal right now, so make sure to go check out the website for the deal. Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks in the rear. My boy's blocks with the shims. With the shims, that's how you set it at 9 inches in the rear, but it's really close to like 8.5. Looks like we have some KG1s, 2414 KG1s with 38. What's the name of it? Jack? Jet. Jacked. How do you spell it?
J-A-C-K.
Oh, jacked. Okay, like jacked. Like Alex, jacked.
Jacket? Jacked.
Jacked.
Like jacked up.
Okay. Like jacked off. Alright, so we have KG1 jacked, 2414, 38 1550 amp tires. These tires look really good. I mean, they're wide, beefy, they ride good. They're priced well. Exhaust is hot. And then it's running the Quadro wheel lights. And then you said 26, right? 24
rock lights.
24 rock lights.
And just the strip and the traction bar.
Strip in the traction bar. And then performance wise, obviously it has the Pulsar V3 under the hood and the CTS3 right there. So yeah, overall this truck is a beast. Another killer build by Mondo and Alex. Huh? What? I said another killer build by Mondo and Alex. I think Mondo just supervised. Alex did all the work. Alex is a slave. Yeah, but I mean, look, that looks good. Ready to get a Duramax or what? Sell that hunk of piece of crap right there?
My cousin, my brother, he just got one, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, he never washes it.
No. He washed it the other day. He sent a picture like it goes clean. I'm gonna put my wheels on.
Look at that. Here's the key to the Chevy. And look at this. Diesel Crazy. That is one of the key tags that we sell on our website. So he must have got this to enter for one of our giveaways that we were doing.